The objective of this lesson is to interpret division of a whole number by a unit fraction. Let's look at our first problem. I have 6 cups of flour, which is enough for 3 cookie recipes. How much flour is enough for 1 recipe? If we use the red rod for our cups of flour, we need 6 of them. If 6 cups of flour makes 3 cookie recipes, then we can divide our 6 cups into 3 groups or recipes. Where is the answer in our model? Since the question is asking how many cups of flour are in 1 recipe, our answer is in 1 group, so it's 2. What division equation represents this problem? 6 divided by 3 equals 2. How does this relate to multiplication? 3 groups of 2 is 6, or 3 times 2 equals 6. What is being asked mathematically? How much for 1 if 6 is enough for 3? Let's look at another problem. I have 5 cups of flour, which is enough for 1/2 of a bread dough recipe. How much flour is enough for 1 recipe? Let's model this problem again with Cuisinart rods. If we use the white cubes as our cups of flour, we need 5 of them. Which rod is equivalent to our 5 units? It looks like the yellow rod aligns with the 5 white cubes. If 5 cups represents 1/2 of the recipe, how do we show the entire recipe? We should use another yellow rod to show the whole recipe. Where is our answer represented in our model? Our answer would be the number of white cubes or cups of flour to fill the 2 yellow rods, which would be 10 cups of flour. What division equation represents this word problem? 5 divided by 1/2 equals 10. How does this relate to multiplication? 1/2 of 10 is 5, or 1/2 times 10 equals 5. What is being asked mathematically? How many cups of flour for 1 recipe if 5 cups is needed for 1/2 recipe? Looking at our model, what is the dividend? Our 5 cups of flour, or 5 white cubes. What is the divisor? Our divisor is 1/2. What is the quotient? 10 cups or white cubes. Let's try one last problem. Of the children at the party, 5 of them are in the pool. If 1/4 of them are in the pool, how many children are at the party? Let's try drawing a model of this problem. First, let's draw a bar to represent the total number of children at the party. Since the 5 children in the pool represent 1/4 of the children, let's divide our bar into 4s and place 5 X's in 1/4 of the bar to represent the children in the pool. Since this represents 1/4 of the children, we need to replicate our 5 X's in the entire bar to find the total number of children at the party. Where is the answer represented in our drawing? The answer is represented by all of the X's, which is 20 total children at the party. What is the division equation for this? 5 divided by 1/4 equals 20. How does this relate to multiplication? 1/4 of 20 is 5, or 1/4 times 20 equals 5. What is being asked mathematically? How many children are at the party if 1/4 of the party is 5? The objective of this lesson was to interpret division of a whole number by a unit fraction. We met this objective by modeling problems with Cuisinart rods and drawing and understanding the partitive interpretation of how much for 1.